Alexa, how many bones in human body?
We are born with 270 bones, but some of these bones fuse together as we grow, leaving adults with 206 bones.
Alexa, why is blood red, Alexa?
Hemoglobin, or hemoglobin, the oxygen transporting protein in red blood cells, contains iron which gives blood its red color due to oxidation.
Alexa, what is acceleration?
According to Wikipedia, in mechanics, acceleration is the rate of change of the velocity of an object with respect to time. Acceleration is one of several components of kinematics, the study of motion.
Alexa, how many districts in India?
There are at least 100 districts in India, including Adilabad district, Agar Malwa district, Agra district, Ahmedabad district and Ahmednagar district.
Alexa, how many sense organs in human body?
From letsgurukul.in, we have 5 sense organs which include eyes, ears, skin, tongue and nose.